In this video, I will discuss about how I grow my nails faster in just 3 days. Simple steps. Hey there, friends! Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 3 daily habits that have helped me achieve longer and stronger nails in just 3 days. Trust me, these simple steps can make a world of difference in your nail health and growth. First up, we have the nifty nail drying stick. This ingenious tool not only dries your nails faster but also protects them from damage. So, give it a try and see the results for yourself. Next on the list is the power of hydration. Drinking water throughout the day not only benefits your overall health but also helps strengthen your nails, leading to faster growth. So, grab a reusable water bottle and start sipping away. Finally, don't forget to apply cuticle oil before bedtime. This daily routine helps keep your cuticles nourished and healthy while promoting nail growth. I personally recommend this one from Amazon. It's been a game changer for me. And that's it, folks. Adding these simple habits to your daily routine could help you grow your nails faster in just 3 days. Give them a try and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more great tips and tricks. Cheers to longer and stronger nails!